Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an upscale grooming kit, you have to check out this 13-piece kit that I got from DEOU. It truly has everything that you need to get your nails looking beautiful, but not just that, this also has tools that you can use for cleaning your ears, addressing nose or ear hair, and so much more. I love this kit because it is so well made, it's professional grade, and these are made from stainless steel except for the really nice glass file. So I'm in the garden a lot and I either am wearing sandals or going barefoot, and so the nails on my hands and my feet need constant attention. I just love the array of tools that this comes with to address really any kind of situation that you might be looking at. I was able to push back and trim my cuticles easily using this tool without any nicks. Having tweezers, blunt nose scissors, and sharp scissors at the ready is always so helpful. I'm so impressed by the quality of these. I've used many types of grooming instruments throughout the years, and I can tell that these are going to last me for many, many years to come. Do yourself a favor and get this grooming kit. You are going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.